Hi everyone, and welcome back to another keto mukbang, OMAD style. I got 4 eggs here cooked in a tablespoon of butter, 6 sausages, sugar-free syrup on them, and a glass of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Yum. Let's eat. Welcome everybody, great to see you. It's so great to be back doing another keto mukbang for you guys. I eat OMAD, which is 1 meal a day, and I try to keep it around 5 to 7 or 800 because I'm still trying to lose those last stubborn few pounds, but I'm getting there, you guys, and I'm excited to share this meal with you. Not anything too hard. I've just got 4 eggs and some sausage here, and I love it with syrup, so I use my sugar-free syrup, and then I'm having unsweetened vanilla almond milk. So basically a breakfast for dinner. It's been about 30 hours since I ate because I do, like I said, the OMAD, the 1 meal a day, and I actually went a little bit longer because I've been a little bit busy. As you see, I got my hair just piled up. I've been doing dishes and cleaning and wrapping gifts and everything, getting ready for the holidays. You won't get this till after the holidays, but I hope you guys all had a wonderful Christmas, and not even sure if you'll get this. I think you'll get it before the new year. If not, I hope you guys had a great New Year's too. So let's get eating. All I have on here is, like I said, I cooked it in a nonstick pan with a little bit of butter just to give it a little bit more flavor. Could have cooked it without the butter, but just, you know, give it a little bit more taste. It's only a pad. I mean, I watch the butter intake. I watch the fat intake because that's important when you're trying to lose weight. You want to use your body fat. And I've just put on a little bit of pink salt. So, yum. I'm excited. Let's eat. So, how is everyone? Great to see all of you guys. Been enjoying doing these mukbangs for you guys and getting my channel, you know, back to regular. It's still going to have some days where I won't have videos loaded, but I'm trying really hard, especially right now during the holidays. It's kind of tough, but I'm doing my best, you guys, and I hope you're enjoying these. Love the way the egg is fried. I love it crispy around the edges, and love it in a little bit of butter. Like I said, for somebody trying to lower the fat, you would basically eat egg whites, and you would do it in a nonstick pan with nothing. Now, I'm doing 1 meal a day, so I need to get a little bit more fat in. This isn't going to be crazy fat, but I did do a tablespoon of butter just because I like, you know, a little bit of flavor there, and I basically am at my goal weight, just trying to get those last stubborn pounds off. But yeah, I like the flavor of it cooked in a little bit of butter, and you guys would do egg whites, and you would cook it in a nonstick pan, and you would do turkey sausage or turkey bacon instead of this, and that would keep it nice and low for you guys. So I also teach you guys when I'm doing my OMAD, I try to keep it in a real quick, tight window, about 15 minutes long. So if I'm going to talk, I try to get what I'm, you know, the meal and everything, the basic more talking in before I start to eat, because then I try to get it in about 15 minutes, and then I won't eat again. It's been about 30 hours for me since I ate. So I like my eggs a little bit yolky. This is a little bit more to the hard, but some of these, there we go. That one there, I don't know if you've seen that. That one there broke open. I do like them a little yolky. I just don't like them, absolutely hate them, like kind of snotty with the, you know, the whites in it. When I was a child, my mom gave me an egg like that, and it looked, of course, not to be gross, but I was a child, it looked like snot to me. And I cannot get that out of my brain ever. So I do not like over easy eggs. I like them either over hard, or I like them just, you know, turned over with the yolk. You know, what would they call that? It wouldn't be sunny side up. It would be sunny side down. I'm not sure. But, you know, I like them flipped. So you cook them, you flip them, then you cook them a little longer. That's how I like them. So just the yolk is yellow. I don't like the white slimy or undercooked. I hate sunny side up eggs. And to me, it's like, just because of the way I seen it as a child. Like, isn't that funny how you just never forget memories like that? And I'll never forget, to me, I felt like I was eating somebody's, sorry, don't mean to say so much information to, you know, TMI, but it looked like snot to me, and it just was just yuck. It was so gross looking, and that's what I thought it was. I was 5 years old. Like, I was just so grossed out by it. So, but eggs are a great source on keto for you. They're great for burning belly fat. Great source of fat. Just amazing. Great protein. Amazing. So, sorry my meals haven't been super exciting, but I'm just showing you like doing an OMAD, how I would eat. So I'm just showing you guys that. If I make anything fancier, I'll show you, but basically it's carnivore. I'm doing carnivore. So I only have, with that little bit of syrup I used, I only have a few carbs from that. So, well, and a half for this. I've got ice in here, but it is just 1 cup of the unsweetened vanilla almond milk with some ice in it. I like ice in my milk. How many of you like ice in your milk? Like even when I had regular milk, oh, this table is lopsided. Even when I was younger, I liked my milk, or younger, before I did keto, I liked my milk with ice in it too. That's just how I love it. I like it icy, icy, icy cold. So if you can get like, if you put a glass of milk in the freezer, that would be fine too. But I like ice in it if it's just from the fridge. And that's just, you know, how I love it. And then I used to have chocolate milk. But how I had mine is I would do 80% milk and then 20% chocolate. Like I just like it, that just little hint of chocolate milk. Of course, we can't have that now on keto. But yeah, that's how I would eat it. Drink it. Love it dipped in the syrup. Absolutely love, love sausage. When it's got that little bit of sweet taste. I love that sweet and salty taste. So how is everyone? How was your guys' holidays? How was Christmas for all of you? Was everybody safe and healthy, and did everybody get what they wanted? So good. Yum, yum, yum. Got a little bit of yolk going on there. I don't know yet how my Christmas was because it's before Christmas for me right now. But you guys know that I only load my videos on Tuesday is my treat day, and then basically Saturday and Sunday is my keto mukbangs because I load nails, toe design, and then outfit of the day Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Eventually when this channel grows bigger, I mean not this one, Angels Heavenly Nails grows bigger, then I basically probably won't do the nails and stuff in here. It'll be all keto. But basically I do my out of the 7 days, actually no, how many, 3 and 3, that's only 3 and 3, so where's the 7th day? So let's see, and then I would do the keto treat, and then Saturday and Sunday I do mukbangs. Tuesday, so we got a day in there we're missing. Thursday, oh, Thursday, and I do my live on Thursday. That's what it is. So I try to do 4 days a week keto, and you know, with my live and then my keto mukbangs, or just, you know, whatever I'm sharing a recipe or whatever, or like exercising or whatever I'm doing. I like to do that the 4 days a week, and then the other 3 I do the other. But hope you guys are enjoying these. It's just been, like I said, tough with the move and not all the way moved in and everything, and it just gets, you know, stressful and tough, and with the holidays now it's even more, but I'm still trying. Wherever I can grab some time, and because I'm only doing 1 meal, I'm trying to show you guys. And like I said, they're not super exciting meals, but that's what I'm showing you, how to do an OMAD, how to do 1 meal a day, and I'm showing you kind of carnivore. That's what I'm doing. But yeah, so, and right now it's nice and quiet here. My nephews are all gone, everybody's gone, so I thought, hey, perfect time. I'm going to have this, I thought I'll do a mukbang on it, even though it's nothing exciting, but you guys get to see basically how I do OMAD. Because a lot of you ask, like, what do you eat doing OMAD? So I thought I will share with you guys, like, they ain't going to be some fancy, you know, recipes. Maybe once in a while there will be, but basically, you know, I'm just going to show you because I'm doing 1 meal. When I go back to my 2 meals, I'll go back to showing you guys some more exciting recipes when I get to my goal. But this is how you guys would eat doing OMAD. There's lots of different ways. I wish one night I would show you. I'll show you one night when I did the steak and stuff like that. I'll show you that too. Like, it was just absolutely delicious. I can't believe how fast Christmas creeped up, huh? Like, it's just funny when you get older how fast it goes. I guess, like, as a child, you're so excited for Christmas to come, and it just takes forever. I remember as a child, I couldn't wait, you know, for Christmas to come and Santa Claus and all the gifts and everything, so it takes forever for a child. Or like when you're trying to get to a certain birthday, like, you know, a teenager, and then, you know, to 16, and then 18, and then 21. Like, it just seems like it takes forever. But once you get older, it just goes by so fast, and they tell you that, but you just don't believe it, you know, until you're older. But I'm 43, and it seems to be going fast. And my mom said even faster when you hit your 60s. She's in her 60s, so yeah. Not looking forward to that. But I don't feel in my 40s. I feel very young the way I eat. And the fact that I do keto correctly using my body fat, it gives me so much energy, and it's helped me to get my weight off extremely fast. And to me, I consider the 13 months that it took for me to lose, majority of all my weight was incredible. And then I maintained for almost a year eating around, I said yesterday in one of my videos, you're going to get this late, but in one of my videos, I was doing a quick chat with you guys. I said I did 1,000 for a year. I didn't do 1,000 calories. I'm sorry. I was doing around 1,500 for almost a year. And then I decided, I wanted to pull off a little bit more. I'd like to see myself in the, like 125, because I'm around the 130s. I was for the maintenance mode. I thought I even want to go a little bit more because I'm 5'2". So decided to start doing OMAD, and I've been doing that now for about 3 months. And I started off with, the higher calorie and just worked my way down slowly till I got to what I do now, which is 500 to 800, because now I'm really at the lowest end of my weight, and I've only got a few pounds to go, and I'm really trying to get it off. So, but it will not be the calorie intake. I will continue to eat. I know people don't think that. Some people are claiming that it's not safe what I'm doing, but I've done research, reading, talked to all my doctors. It's very safe because it's not something I'm going to do forever. And yeah, I'm going to go right back up. I'm going to slowly increase calories. About every 3 to 4 days, I will increase by 50 calories until I get back up to my 1,500 again. But yeah, I was able to eat 1,500 and not gain any weight for almost a year. It was great. So, and somebody as small as me, 1,500 is plenty of food. So, actually, it was almost too much for me sometimes. And yes, then I was eating more fats. You guys know that because you've seen my meals. You guys know because I made all these meals for you guys, and you've seen I ate more fat because I was in maintenance mode, so I could do more fat. The syrup has hit my eggs, and it actually is pretty good. My dad used to put jelly on his eggs. I know people that put jelly on their eggs. Don't know if I would like it, but I wouldn't knock it till I tried it. Of course, we don't eat jelly. But, yeah, I don't mind the syrup hitting it, the little sweet taste. Doesn't bother me too much. Oh my God, this is so good. I do eat a lot of eggs or whatever doing this, especially the one meal. But I haven't had it for a while for some reason. Like, you saw one of my mukbangs that was my egg salad. But that actually was about 2 or 3 weeks ago. And then basically I've been eating like chicken and hamburger and steak and chicken, hamburger, steak, and some fish, and like just more carnivore with other things or whatever than the eggs. And I'm like, God, I'm craving eggs so bad. So had to have them. Such an easy meal to cook. Most people like eggs. Eggs can be made so many ways. You got them like this. You can make them scrambled. You can make them egg salad, deviled eggs. I mean, there's just so many things you can do. Make a quiche out of them. So many things you can do with eggs. But yeah, I don't know why I haven't had eggs for a while. It was like, that was the last video that I had done that you've seen where I did the egg salad one. It was like about 2 weeks ago or whatever. It's so weird that since then I haven't hardly had any eggs. That's weird. But I was doing, also like a bunless burger. So yeah, I just been doing stuff like that. Yummy. So good. And let me tell you, I am full. I'm kind of mad that the calories are a little bit higher than I would consume trying to lose weight, because it's, like I said, I keep it around 500 to 700. And this is a little like 720. So I'm only over by a little bit, but I'm trying to keep it to the lower end of the 500 to 700, trying to keep it lower or whatever, just because I got those last few pounds to get off. But, I'm only doing the one meal, and it's, this wasn't too bad, a great source of protein and fat and everything. So the sausage, a little bit, I could have held that out and done, maybe something a little bit better for a meat there. Maybe chicken breast on the side or whatever. I could have done that. But yeah, it's okay once in a while. Once in a while I just like to do it, but I only went over by a little bit. Like I said, I like to keep it towards the lower end of the 500 to 700, but this is fine once in a while. I needed it to be simple tonight because I got so much going on with wrapping presents and just a ton going on. I got my nails done, my toe design done. I just had to do so much. So, got that done, and it says 14 minutes right now for the time, a little over 14, and I was talking in the very beginning, so you see I kept that under that 15-minute tight window. That's important. I have learned that the tighter, the better for the window, and now I won't eat again until tomorrow. And like I said, this time I went about 30 hours. It'll definitely be 24 or longer. So, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang. I know it wasn't anything too fancy, but I just want to show you. I'm going to show you my OMADs, like my 1 meal a day, what I'm doing, just to show you in case anybody wants to try it so they'll understand just how to eat. But other than that, excuse me. Gosh, I hope you guys didn't hear that. When you talk and you eat, you get so much air. So I apologize. I don't mean to burp on film. I don't even know if you heard that. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Continue on your keto journey. Stay strong. And, you know, continue to keep that fat low if you're trying to lose weight. I love you guys very much. God bless and take care. And always remember to keep it keto.